Now, wiki pages, they are going away very shortly. And Microsoft are now rolling out a way so users can migrate their existing wikis into OneNote. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. So we're going to go to the wiki I have in my team, and as you see, I've got some content in here already. And as you see, there's a little notification at the top. Wiki tabs in channels will go away starting in June 2023, and you can export your content to a new Notes tab that will be created for this channel. Now, I'm going to click Get Details, and here it brings up a OneNote page with some more information. It tells you what will happen with each wiki page, some of the changes that might happen. Your existing wiki will be kept as a read-only version, so no one will be able to make any further changes to that. In Wiki, they will have to use OneNote for it, and you can organize your items within that OneNote page. Now I'm going to click Export to Notes, and as you see, it is now exporting my 2 pages. If you have more, it will export all of them as well, and if you have one page, it will just export that one page. Now, as you see, it's finished, so I'm going to select Finish to complete the export and view my new Notes page. And as you see, it's automatically added a new tab called Notes. And as you see, it's defaulted to Wiki and Wiki Part 2. And because it's in the General channel, it has been given the section name of General. Now, if I go back to Wiki, I can now see that it is now marked as read only, and that if I want to go and edit and look at the latest content, I have to go to the Notes section, so the Notes tab in Teams. Now, if you no longer require the wiki from here, because now it is marked as read only, you can remove the tab.